Welcome to Bike Studio, your ultimate destination for everything two wheels. Today, we're taking you on a deep dive into one of the most iconic names in motorcycle history, reborn for a new era. Yes, we're talking about the 2025 Yamaha XT 500, a legendary dual-sport machine that's making a stunning comeback with a modern twist, while paying tribute to its old-school soul. A legend reimagined. The original XT 500 was a trailblazer when it launched back in the 1970s, a rugged, go-anywhere motorcycle that combined simplicity, performance, and reliability. Yamaha's decision to resurrect this classic in 2025 is both a nostalgic tribute and a bold move to capture the hearts of today's adventurers. With decades of heritage behind it, the 2025 XT 500 is built for riders who crave exploration, with a touch of retro charm and a modern engineering backbone. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 XT 500 lies a brand new 499 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, fuel-injected and tuned for low-end torque and smooth power delivery. Designed to handle both city commutes and off-road challenges, the engine is €5 plus compliant and optimized for fuel efficiency. It produces around 42 horsepower, striking the perfect balance between usability and fun. Whether you're climbing dirt trails or cruising on tarmac, the XT 500 delivers consistent performance with that distinctive thumper sound. Chassis and suspension. Built on a lightweight steel frame, the new XT 500 prioritizes agility and durability. The frame has been engineered to provide a low center of gravity, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced riders. The bike features long travel suspension, 41mm telescopic forks at the front and a monoshock rear setup, perfectly tuned for absorbing bumps and uneven terrain. With 220mm ground clearance, this machine can confidently tackle rocky trails, muddy paths, or urban potholes. Design, classic meets modern. The 2025 XT 500 masterfully blends classic aesthetics with modern functionality. The fuel tank maintains the teardrop silhouette of the original, now with brushed aluminum accents and retro Yamaha stripes. The round LED headlamp, analog-digital hybrid gauge cluster, and minimalist side panels give it a neo-retro look that pays homage to the original 1976 design. It's available in classic Yamaha white with red stripes, as well as a stealthy matte black variant for urban adventurers. Wheels, brakes, and tires. Staying true to its dual-sport identity, the XT 500 rolls on spoke 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, equipped with dual-purpose tires that grip equally well on dirt and pavement. Braking is handled by front and rear disc brakes with dual-channel ABS for added safety. The braking system is responsive and well-calibrated for off-road scenarios where precise control matters. Technology and features. While the XT 500 stays loyal to its analog roots, Yamaha has wisely included just the right amount of modern tech. A simple LCD display provides readouts for speed, fuel, gear position, and trip meters. There's also Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to sync with the Yamaha MyRide app for route tracking and diagnostics. The bike includes LED lighting all around, a USB charging port, and a switchable ABS system for those who prefer a more raw riding experience off-road. Comfort and ergonomics. The 2025 XT 500 is designed with rider comfort in mind. Its upright riding position, wide handlebars, and narrow seat make it suitable for long rides and technical terrain. Seat height is around 860mm, giving the rider ample visibility and control without feeling too intimidating. The ergonomic triangle ensures reduced fatigue during extended off-road adventures or daily commutes. Fuel efficiency and range. Equipped with a 13-liter fuel tank, the XT 500 is built for long journeys. With an average fuel consumption of around 3.5 L per 100 kilometers, riders can expect an impressive range of over 350 kilometers on a full tank, making it a reliable companion for remote exploration. Price and availability. The 2025 Yamaha XT 500 is expected to hit dealerships in early 2025 with a starting price around $7,000. Yamaha plans to release it globally, targeting both new riders and those who grew up admiring the original. It's a competitive offering in the modern scrambler and dual sport market, delivering high value with its heritage, durability, and versatility. Final thoughts, a modern classic. The 2025 Yamaha XT 500 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. A nod to the golden era of motorcycling, fused with the demands of modern riders. Whether you're tearing up trails or carving through city streets, the XT 500 offers a raw and authentic riding experience. For fans of timeless design, rugged functionality, and real-world performance, Yamaha's revival of the XT 500 is a dream come true. Outro, stay tuned with Bike Studio. That's it for today's ride through the all-new 2025 Yamaha XT 500. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more content on the latest bikes, classic comebacks, and everything in between, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Bike Studio will keep you updated on every rev, throttle twist, and trail ahead. Stay adventurous, ride smart, and we'll catch you in the next video.